amb aires de videojoc, la pel·lícula ens presenta un assassí a sou amb ganes de canviar de feina a qui enverinen i ha de trobar l'antídot abans de que sigui massa tard. Al igual que l'autobús de Speed, el protagonista no pot parar de moure's per tal de no morir.
Me llamo Chef Chelios y hoy es el día de mi muerte.
Do something that was absolutely undiluted and a little bit crazy and lots of fun, and this sort of rang all the bells for all the different notes.
Ajá, muy gracioso.
Rabia me da.
Un día quemarás la casa.
I honestly think people have to remind themselves to take deep breaths during this film because it's going to be incredibly intense.
Si te paras, morirás.
Tengo una hora para saldar una cuenta pendiente, despedirme de mi chica y marcharme con un poco de estilo. Solo tengo que mantenerme con vida lo suficiente como para conseguirlo.
We wanted to make a movie that was like a video game. So we wanted to basically have this character that had to have a reason to keep going, so we poisoned him.
Tu única posibilidad es aumentar brutalmente el nivel de efedrina en tu cuerpo para expulsar a los inhibidores. Quiero que vayas a urgencias y que te suministren epinefrina, es adrenalina sintética.
Imbécil.
No hace falta empujar. Quiero una cosa que empieza por E.
¿Espinacas?
And so in order for him to stop the poison, he's got to keep his adrenaline up at full speed. You know, so he's got to like think of ways to do it, whether it's sex or drugs or rock and roll.
And also, she's under the assumption that he's this video programmer and doesn't realize he's this hitman.
¿Qué te pasa?
Tengo que decirte algo. Soy un asesino a sueldo.
¡No, espera!
Ya puedes venir.
The thing about Crank is we wanted to do a movie where a guy was just moving all the time. And, you know, so we came up with this idea that we would poison him and that the poison would act on his adrenal system in such a way that if he stops, he dies.
You know, there's a great reward about achieving something like that and doing it yourself. And there's no substitute for that kind of thing. I mean, it looks on screen, they're going to see that it's me.
Me llamo Chef Chelios y hoy es el día.